batteries. This guy is the Sony a6500, and this little guy is the Sony a5100. Both are great cameras. Both have one thing in common: this little tiny brick. This battery doesn't last long, especially if you're filming 4K. It's not gonna last long, so you're gonna have to leave out and start carrying 4 or 5 batteries with you. So what we're gonna do today is actually mount an external battery on this guy without it looking like you're Frankenstein. All right, cool. So 5 things that you need. First one, rail mount from SmallRig. All of this are gonna be listed down below, so that way you guys actually know what I'm using. Second one, Velcro. So you need something to mount these two together. So you need Velcro right here. Third, obviously, the power bank. I'm using the, what am I using? I'm using the PowerCore II from Anker. I'll list all of them down below so that way you guys know. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3. The fourth one being obviously the USB to connect this to the camera. And the last, but not the least, the mounting plate. So you can actually mount this to something like this guy. Alright, so let's start. Velcro your power bank. So put it right here, as well as right there. Okay, so when you have those, obviously you're gonna need to actually mount this to here. I have a SmallRig cage, but if you don't have it, you can simply just mount it directly to the camera. So it's gonna look like that. So I'm gonna mount this here. So hold on. There you go. You guys see it? Yep, okay. And then the second step will actually be putting the power bank right here. So make sure that this side of the power bank is facing this way. All right. Looks like this. So make sure that this is aligned to this side, so that way you can just have the USB run up there while charging. Last will actually be putting this rail, this silver thing, in the middle of this side of this railing. And there you go. So she looks like that. So it's not, it does put a lot of weight, but it doesn't look bad, right? Like I've seen people actually put the power bank up here, so you pretty much lose your hot shit, right? If you put it here, then you lose this access, and if you put it here, then it just looks retarded. So yeah, I think this is actually the best way to mount a power bank. Have a 10,000 milliamp power bank to power your alpha line. It does look better than what I've seen people do. You can still access the battery right here. And yeah, that's it. Something simple, something quick. It's snowing like crazy here in Toronto, so I don't feel like vlogging at home, so I thought I can share that with you guys. And yeah, so you can still mount this here with your Gorilla Pod, and that's it. Cool. Peace.
Peace.